Now 18th one. A rectangular sheet of tin 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum? Suppose consider a rectangular sheet. Consider a rectangular sheet of tin and from each corner one square is to be cut off. So for I see here one from each corner one square same size one square is cut off from each corner and it is made into a box. See here. Then the flaps. So from each corner one square is cut off and the flaps are folded like this, folded to form a box, open box. See, so it is an open box. So first it was rectangular sheet. From that from each corner one square is cut off and the flaps are folded to make a box. So the question is, what should be the one side of the square to be cut off? From each corner one square is cut off. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box, this open box, the volume of the box should be maximum? That is a question. So we have to find. So here volume of the box should be maximum. So given that side of the rectangle is given 45 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Length 45 centimeter, breadth 24 centimeter. So what is the volume of the box? For that, let the side of the square to be cut off. Side of the square be x. X is here it is given centimeter. So we can take x centimeter. So side of square equal to x centimeter. Then what is the volume of the box? So total length of the rectangle is 45 centimeter and from each side 45 centimeter, from this side x centimeter and from this side x centimeter. So x plus x should be reduced so that the base, see the base of the box, see volume of the box equal to base area into height. So base area means base is a rectangle and what is the length of the base rectangle? Total length of the sheet is 45 centimeter. So from 45 from one side x, other side x. So x plus x should be reduced from the length of the sheet. So total length of the sheet 45 centimeter. From that x plus x should be reduced. That will be the length of the base rectangle. So so here we can write volume of the box. Volume of open box. It is open at the top. So volume of the box equal to base area into height. So that is equal to base area means area of the rectangle. That is 45 minus 2x. This side x will be reduced. So 45 minus 2x into breadth. See here breadth is 24 centimeter. So from breadth also from each side x centimeter should be cut off, removed. So 24 minus 2x, that is breadth. 24 minus 2x. So length into breadth means 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x. That is the base area of the box. And into height, what will be the height of the box? See, this is the height of the box. Height means x centimeter because side of the square cut off is x centimeter. So this height of the box is x centimeter. So into height, that is x. So that is the volume of the box. That should be maximum. So we got volume of the box V as a function of x. So V equal to 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. So we can multiply 24 minus 2x into x. That is 24x minus 2x square. So that is the volume of the box. That we have to find for which value of x this volume is maximum. So same method we follow second derivative test. First v is a function of only one variable x. So we have to find the derivative, first derivative, then second derivative, and we have to use the second derivative test. So first we can multiply because here when we multiply we will get third degree. So we can multiply first. So 45 into 24, multiply 45 into 24. 1080. So 1080 x minus 2 into 45 minus 90 x square minus 2 into 24 minus 48 x square minus 2x into minus plus 4x cube plus 4x cube. We can simplify 4x cube minus 90 48. That is minus 138 x square plus 1080 x. So we got, this is the volume of the box, base area into height. Base area into height, that is here 4x cube minus 138 x square plus 1080 x. Now we can find the first derivative. So now first derivative v dash x. So v is a function of x. Therefore v dash x equal to derivative 4x cube, that is derivative 4 into 3x square, that is 12x square minus 138 into 2, that is 276. 276x plus 1080 into derivative of x, that is 1080 into 1. So that is the derivative. Now we can find v dash x equal to 0 implies we can find the x. Then we can find second derivative. So second derivative we can find now itself. Second derivative 12x square derivative 24x minus 276 into 1 276 plus derivative 1080 0. So we found second derivative also. Now we can write v dash x equal to 0 implies, because when volume is maximum, volume of the box is maximum, derivative will be 0. Then v dash x equal to 0 implies, so this is 0. So that means 12 into, we can take common factor from this 12 common factor. So that implies 12 into x square minus 276 by 12. That is 2, 12, 24, 36, 3, 23x plus 1080 divided by 12, 90. 90. That is equal to 0. That implies x square minus 23x plus 90 equal to 0. Then we can factorize x minus 18 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So we got two values for x, that is 18 and 5. So that is x equal to 18 and x equal to 5. Now we know, see what is the length and breadth of the tin sheet, rectangular sheet. For length 45 centimeter, breadth 24 centimeter, and we have to cut from each corner. This side of the square is 18 and 5 we got. Suppose the side of the square is 18 centimeter. What happened? From both sides we have to cut to 18 plus 18, 36 we have to cut. See here only breadth is only 24 centimeter. So that is meaningless. Therefore 18, the value 18 is not possible. Therefore we can write x equal to 18 is not possible. Therefore x equal to 5. Now we have to check when x equal to 5, second derivative is less than 0 or greater than 0, maximum or minimum. So here we will substitute this value in second derivative. When x equal to 5, v double dash x equal to 24 into 5 minus 276, that is 120. 120 minus 276, that is equal to minus 156, which is less than 0. So second derivative is less than 0 when x equal to 5. So second derivative is less than 0. That means volume is maximum. Therefore v is maximum when x equal to 5. So when the side of the square cut off is 5 centimeter, volume of the box is maximum. That is what we want to find. So the question is find the what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum. So that is the answer. When x equal to 5, volume of the box is maximum. So a square of length one side 5 centimeter is to be cut off. Now same way, see this 18th one, 17th question, here it is rectangular sheet of tin. In that question number 17, it is a square piece, square tin of in the shape of square. So here in that case also, that is in the side of the square is 18 centimeter. So same way we can do. So in that case the box will be a square prism in the form of square prism. So base is a square. So base area into height means area of the square into height. So that will be more easy. Okay.